Welcome.
Today we are going to learn heat.
First, introduction to heat. Heat is a form of energy that causes the sensation of warmth. It flows from a hot object to a cold object until both objects reach the same temperature. Second, temperature. Definition: temperature is a degree of hotness or coldness of an object. It is measured using a thermometer. Thermometers, clinical thermometer, used to measure body temperature, range 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Laboratory thermometer, used to make the temperature of other objects, range 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Celsius scale is commonly used for measuring temperature. Third, heat transfer. Heat can travel from one object to another in three different ways: conduction, convection, radiation. First, conduction. Heat transfer in solids. Example: heating one end of a metal rod makes the other end hot. Materials are classified as conductors, substances that allow heat to pass through, example metals like iron, copper. Insulators, substances that do not allow heat to pass through, example wood, plastic. Second, convection, heat transfer in fluids and gases. Warmer, less dense regions of a fluid rise, while cooler, denser regions sink, creating a convection current. Example, boiling water or sea breeze during the day. Third, radiation, heat transfer without the need for a medium. Example, the heat we feel from the sun. Fourth, conductors and insulators. Good conductors, materials that transfer heat efficiently. Example, metals. Poor conductors or insulators, materials that do not transfer heat efficiently. Example, wood, air. Fifth, clothing and heat. In summer, light colored clothes are preferred as they reflect heat. In winter, dark colored clothes are worn because they absorb heat better. Sixth, body temperature and heat. The human body maintains a constant temperature of about 37 degrees Celsius. A clinical thermometer measures body temperature by the mercury column inside it, which rises to indicate the temperature. Key concepts and activities. Experiments like touching a metal and a wooden surface to compare the temperatures. Observing the flow of heat in different materials. Explaining everyday phenomena like land and sea breezes. Important takeaways: heat always flows from a higher temperature to a lower temperature. Different materials respond differently to heat. Knowledge of heat transfer is essential in designing efficient buildings, clothing, and cooking utensils. This chapter lays the foundation for understanding thermodynamics in higher classes.